Damn near empty. I think we only had about 2. They changed all the numbers. I can't even tell you what exit.
Maybe.
Oh wow, look at this. It's really impressive, isn't it?
It's configured to fly back across the Atlantic.
Yeah.
Wow.
So those are giant ferry tanks.
Oh, I see.
Look at that. Look at the space in there as well, and like the windows and everything.
Sick. Go up there.
Yeah, I will. Look at that. That's well impressive. And then you've got the cockpit at the top just there. And then you've got the wings there as well. Yeah, that's impressive. Yeah, that's really good, isn't it? Yes.
Towards the metal fencing in the taxiway vacates, so we are clear by 12 off the white line, vacate by 8.